Hey, Jake Paulers. Welcome to the one video scientists don't want you to know about. Today we're gonna learn how to make your wish come true. Now the first video says only working way in 2018 and 2019.
And they patched it out in 2020. Damn it!
Yeah, but however, if you go to the comments, it says who's watching this in 2020 and are sad because it only works in 2019. Some intellectual pointed out, just because it works then don't mean it work now. So, maybe Jesus Christ or God or whoever made this video forgot to patch the command. Fucking whatever. Let's see how to make your wish come true. First step. Think of your wish. Any wish. Oh fuck.
Sex.
You're not supposed to say it. Put your right hand over your left hand. Or she broke the wish. Blink 5 times. What? Hold on, it's going too fast. Say your wish in your head.
Damn it, I already fucked up. I guess my sex wishes.
Your sex is gone. No more sex.
Kind stranger is dead.
Then say out loud, I
Baba Bowie
will take the wish in the name of worlds.
What?
You're supposed to say your wish.
No one's dead.
Well, fuck you then. For a few people, they may see this as clickbait, but it is not clickbait. I have tried it many times and it always worked on me anyway. Oh shit, so it worked? Well, if he says so, I guess it must work. Let's see. If you want to reverse... Fuck no, I don't want to reverse my wish. Now this video is gonna make your wish come true.
Okay.
So...
What the fuck is happening?
I don't know. Instructions are a bit unclear. Actually, there's no fucking instructions. But I guess I'm supposed to make my wish now while staring at the clock. I want to believe that these videos can actually make my wish come true because I really want to be a singer in Los Angeles. What?
Imagine wanting to move to Los Angeles.
You can only be a singer in Los Angeles.
Yeah, nowhere else.
Well, hopefully it works. I don't want to watch any more of this. This is the whole video.
The entire video?
Yeah.
They didn't even edit it. They just...
Didn't even edit it out. Well, great video, Z Mantra. That's just... What is this guy doing?
Let's peep this out.
Coronavirus. Whoa! Safe from the coronavirus?
That's topical.
Wash your hands.
Is that you?
Wash your hands frequently. Wash it every hour. Wash 10 or 20 times.
Every hour? I don't think that's healthy.
Mouth.
20 times a day? Are you fucking crazy? They're gonna melt off.
Just don't make it.
Avoid touching your face.
Mouth, eyes. Remember?
Do not touch anything when you go outside.
I'm
Just-
gonna get back in my
Just
house.
don't fucking go outside. Ever thought about that one? And this is the final video. Make your wish come true. Yeah, let's go. Do you have a dream you want to fulfill your... You want to fulfill your... Yeah, sure. I do. It's sex. Wait! No! It's gonna work. Do you know the magic of your dreams come true? What does that mean?
Straight facts.
Yeah. During the next photograph is displayed. Three times. Please cast the wish you want fulfilled. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit.
N-word pass.
Whoa, it's a rainbow. That's kinda gay though. Wait, there's 2. Okay, so. I pray that your wish will come true.
Jump scare.
I wish I can fly. My sister and dad and mom never to fight. And I wish I can control water? What?
Must be a water bend.
What? The cum bender. It worked for me. How long did it take to work? How long? How long did it take? How long? Hi, I'm sorry, it's been 2 years. How long did it take to happen? These people, did they actually believe it? Yeah, that's pretty much the video. Fuck off.